Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi Q5 with the key. First, locate the ignition slot, usually on the dashboard, and fully insert your key. Next, confirm your vehicle's transmission is securely in either park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Finally, firmly press down on the brake pedal. You're now ready for the next step in starting your Audi Q5. With the key fully inserted and your foot on the brake, gently turn the key clockwise to the on position. You'll notice various indicator lights illuminate on your dashboard for a few seconds. This is normal. This action powers up your vehicle's electrical systems, preparing it for ignition. Do not hold the key in this position for too long, just enough to see the lights. Now, continue turning the key clockwise past the on position to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine cranks and starts. As soon as the engine turns over and runs, release the key. It will spring back to the on position automatically. If the engine doesn't start on the first try, wait about 10 seconds before attempting again to avoid draining the battery. If your Audi Q5 struggles to start or the engine cranks slowly, it might indicate a low battery, so consider checking its charge. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, as this can prevent the ignition from turning. Sometimes, gently wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key can help. For more helpful tips and to enhance your reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to this amazing device, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.